How to change a Spotify plan. To get started, first of all, open up Safari on your phone. You can also use other browsers if you want. Then go to open.spotify.com. Here, tap on Menu on the top right corner. Now select Login to log into your profile. After that, fill in your credentials and tap on Continue. Enter the 6-digit code sent to you at your email. Then tap on Login, or you can also log in with a password. Once you've logged in, go to the settings icon at the top right corner of the page. Now tap on View Account. Here, scroll down and go to Manage your subscription under the subscription option. Here, scroll down and tap on Change Plan. You can also tap on Cancel Subscription to cancel your current subscription plan. This is how you can easily change your Spotify plan.